I don't have time to declutter. What? Come on. Decluttering only takes 15 minutes 4 times a week. It's not every single day. You've got 3 days where you're not decluttering. You're going to declutter for 15 minutes in the zone 4 times a week. If you're payroll and you're not home during the day, I don't expect you to declutter 4 times Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I expect you to declutter on Saturday for 1 hour in the morning. 1 hour. Okay? So don't think you don't have time to declutter. You don't have time not to declutter. Clutter steals your joy. Clutter takes your peace away. Clutter frustrates you. Clutter finds you unable to do the things you want to do. It steals your time. So if you think you don't have time to declutter, then don't declutter and see how much time you really have, which is none, because it will steal all your time. You won't be able to find something. You won't be able to get something. You'll be having to go to the store to buy something you already have, but you can't find it. You do have time to declutter. So today, declutter for 15 minutes in your zone.